Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So let's do the post analysis of the Nifty and see what is there for tomorrow. Okay, so if you see today, it what happened, it goes back to this level, actually 15,900 it touch, and then after that it slowly fall after this one 1215. So I was thinking that it will rise after 215, but and this was act as a resistance. 15,900 act as a resistance, and Nifty could not move towards that. So always see the price action before taking any trade, actually. So now back to our tomorrow's view. So tomorrow it is bit downside will be there. Tomorrow in the opening section till 10:15, 10:15 to 10:30 it will be down. Okay, Nifty will be down till 10:15, and after 10:15 there will be a upward movement. So let me check. What I am telling is that after opening Nifty will be down till 10:30. Okay, Nifty will be down till 10:30. The trend will be like this, and after that it will be sideways to positive. Sideways to positive means Nifty will try to move up. Nifty will try to move up with a positive note, but after one I feel some big downtrend will be there. So tomorrow trend will be like this. Tomorrow trend will be like this. So tomorrow it will be like this one. So this will be actually this will be A, then this will be B, then this will be C. So this B will take a lot of time till 1 o'clock. It will be sideways to this one. You check the trend, it will be 50% of this trend which is moving. Let me clear it out, and again so I will tell you. So what I am telling is that the downside which will come, okay, give a retracement from here to here, put a Fibonacci retracement. Most probably it will be 50% of this from here to here, or 38.2% of this. Okay, then it will make this trend. This will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. After 2 o'clock it will again move. So this will be most probably, now it will be a triangle it is going to do. Okay, now it will be going to do a triangle. So let me show you once again. Most probably Nifty will be tomorrow will be like this. I will show it once again. So what I was telling is that this is 1, this is 2. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, then this we are going to third move. No, sorry, why it is going. Okay, so this is going, third is completed, and third most probably it is completed over here, and this fifth will be, I think it is truncated. It is going to truncate 15,900 level, and it is going to fall. Okay, it is going to fall, and it will make a triangle. Okay, and this triangle, I think this is going to break. And what I have told you, that 15,400 will be the good support. 15,400 will be the good support. So let's see what is happening. 15,400, that is coming to 38.2% most probably. So let me see once again, it is coming to 38.2% or not. So if you see over from here to here, so yes, so 15,400 will come to 38.2%. Sorry, 1 minute. So this will be this. Most probably 15 point, this one is 38.2%, and 15,200 will be 50%. So if this trend is going to end, okay, if this trend is going to end now, see now, if this trend is going to end, the fall will be at least 50% of this one, at least 50% of this one, but it should not touch this level. Okay, it should not touch 15,000 level. This is the 15,000, it should not touch. So 15,000 will be the this one. So this now the trend will be 15,200, where there will be, this will be the full sideways movement, because this ये जो है ये वेव 1 है और ये वेव 2 है. नाउ ये वेव 3 यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ, यहाँ पर अभी फोर्थ मूव चला. ओके, मैं अभी भी डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि 16,300 नहीं आएगी. अभी भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ 16,300 में ऑन द कार्ड. what will happen over here is there will be a fourth move, because if Nifty is going to fall tomorrow what I see is Nifty is going to fall, and there will be a Nifty, if Nifty is going to, if this is 15,900 is breaking, then that is good. Otherwise whatever the low, if it is made, whatever the high it is made, see this one, this high. Okay, let me tell you once again. So this high, this is the projection. Okay, this is the projection for tomorrow's view. So this will be this tomorrow, if it is taking out 15,832, this is the level. Okay, 15,832, Nifty will be getting bearish. So this will be act as a again a resistance for this. Once the Nifty will fall from here, this will be act as a resistance. Okay, this will be act as a resistance, this will be act as a resistance, and tomorrow fall could be like this. Then after that up to 330 it will be like this. So a fall will be there up to 215 or something. Okay, after that it will be like this, sideways to positive. Again it will be moved like this, but we will see on Thursday what will happen. But this is the tomorrow, the 16 Wednesday call. Okay, so that's it guys. So we'll check what is the level it is coming, but 15,400 will be the major support for the trend to go up. 15,400 to 200 is the major support for the trend to move up. So this is the for the tomorrow, this is the one which is going to take it out, which is going to take out. This is 15,833 is the odd level, and from here this will be act as a resistance, and which will be, if this is taking out, if it is taken out, again the bull move will cross, otherwise this will be act as a resistance. So view is that up to 10:15 it will be 10:30, it will be 10:30, it will be like this. Then I move to till 1 o'clock, to 1 o'clock full sideways to up movement will be there, but this will be made B. Okay, this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Okay, then after that zigzag movement will be there, which will be moved towards up movement after a fall. So this is what I mean to tell, and note it down. This will be okay for tomorrow. This will be happen or not, we will check it out. Okay, but this will be take this one as the 15,833 is the Lakshman Rekha up to go over here. Okay, if this is crossing, then this pattern is going to form. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, goodbyes, and hope your trading day will be good for tomorrow.